Educational games are in demand like never before. Parents want tools to keep their kids learning at home. Teachers need creative ways to keep students engaged in the classroom. And kids? Well, they just want something fun to play. Did you know? Research shows that games aren't just fun. They can actually help kids become smarter, more creative, and even better problem solvers. Games also make learning exciting. From math and science to language skills, they transform boring lessons into interactive adventures. And the benefits don't stop there. Games can help kids build confidence as they complete levels and challenges, develop teamwork and communication skills with multiple player options, learn at their own pace because every child is unique. This isn't just a trend. The demand for educational games is growing every single day. From ABCs to problem solving, kids and parents can't get enough. So, if you've been thinking about creating or selling educational games, now is the perfect time to jump in. The market is ready and the opportunities are endless. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to be the boss of your own gaming empire? Like instead of just playing games, you own them? No, you don't need a coding degree, a 10,000-person dev team, or the patience to debug level 47 of Why Is This Not Working simulator. I've got something way easier and a whole lot more profitable. Presenting, drumroll please, Kids Game Station PLR. You get access to a collection of 15 out-of-this-world Canva kids games with over 500 quizzes in various categories. A ready-made collection of fun, engaging, and brain-boosting games that kids will absolutely love. They're the best you'll ever find in the entire universe. And here's the best part, with full PLR rights, you can rebrand these games, sell them, and keep 100% of the profits. That's right, 100%. This is all yours, baby. Here's what you're really getting with this bundle. 15 plus premium Canva games for kids that are the best in the market. 45 plus fun PowerPoint games for kids. 5,000 plus maze puzzles for kids. 600 plus word search games for kids. 100 plus coloring games for kids. 16 plus printable pages for kids. Monster Mania, creative fun for kids. Robot Adventure, Tracing Challenge. Shape Adventure, a fun-filled book for kids. Plus you're getting games in every genre you can imagine. Action, puzzles, trivia, and even those addictively satisfying casual games people spend hours on when they're totally not procrastinating. You know how game developers make millions? Well, now it's your turn to cash in without the tears, bugs, or 18-hour workdays fueled by questionable energy drinks. With our ready-to-use customizable game templates, you don't need to be a tech genius or work endless hours. Everything is already set up for you. Look, it's so easy, even my grandma could do it. Step 1. Pick a game. Step 2. Add your logo, brand colors, or even throw in some extra spice. Customize it how you want. Step 3. Upload, hit publish, and start selling. Boom! You're in business. Your gaming empire just launched and you didn't even break a sweat. Think about it. Kids get smarter, parents are happy, and you're making money while sipping coffee and scrolling your favorite playlist. Listen, the market for games is huge. People are playing them on their phones, tablets, laptops, you name it. With these games, you can tap into that massive demand and sell them wherever you want. Your own website, social media, game marketplaces. So what's the price for all this? If you thought it'd cost you an arm and a leg, think again. You're getting all 15 plus games, the customization options, and full PLR at a fraction of the cost it would take to develop just one game from scratch. You could literally make your investment back with a single sale, or two if you're feeling fancy. You could sell each game for $5, $10, or even $50, and people will line up to buy them. Let's do some quick math. Sell just 10 templates at $10 each, and that's $100 in your pocket. Now imagine selling 100 templates, or 1,000. That's your Netflix and snacks money turned into vacation and yacht money. And remember, once you set it up, this becomes passive income, the kind of money that rolls in while you're chilling, sleeping, or eating tacos. Who doesn't want that? So what's stopping you? For less than the price of a fancy dinner, you can unlock this entire bundle, start selling instantly, and create a business that's as fun as it is profitable. To make this deal even better, we've added exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. But here's the catch, this offer won't last forever. Once you leave this page, the price could go up, and the bonuses? Gone. Right now, you can get lifetime access to Kids Game Station PLR at the best price ever. And there's no risk. If it's not everything you hope for, you've got 30 days to get a full refund. No awkward questions, no hard feelings, we promise. Don't miss out. This is your chance to grab something amazing. Click the button below and grab your 15 of the best kids games with PLR right now. Your future self, the one chilling on a yacht funded by your gaming profits, is already thanking you. Remember, this isn't just a product, it's your ticket to gamepreneur glory. So, what are you waiting for? Go on, make it yours, and let's get this game on.